Alrighty, so today we are going to move on to writing equations. So, what I want you to think is first, when you have the expressions, I want you to think of some words that maybe would be used in the expressions that would allow you to know that we were adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. So you can pause the video right now and add in some words that you may think of that you would see when to make you think that, oh, I know I need to add here. I need to subtract. So some words that you will likely see on these expressions that need to add would be plus, add, more than, and then sum. And sum means that tells you that you are adding two numbers together. When it's saying I want to find the sum of 4 and 6, for example. That would mean you need to add 4 and 6 together. For subtraction, see minus, less than, and the difference. And when you're saying the difference, that's again like saying find the difference between 10 and 4. Well, that's telling you to subtract 10 and 4. Now, and again, these notes are on Google Classroom, so you can pull them up and fill them in with me. So, multiplication. Oh, and these are the 8, 3. These are the writing equation notes. So, those are the ones that you should have up. Multiplication, that would be product. That's when you're saying I want to find the product of 8 and 4. You're going to multiply them. Times and multiplied by and of. And division would be quotient. That's saying I want to find the quotient of 25 and 5. You divide 25 and 5. And then divide it by. Now, we're going to skip the equal sign for right now. And we are going to go down here and write the expressions. And when we write them, though, we want to also code so we know so it helps us know the expression and check our expression. And what I mean by code is, as I am reading through this, I would say 5 more than, okay, that tells me that I need to add. I need to add 5. So I'd write a plus 5 on top. And then the sum would be adding of a number, so I'll just say n and 12. So that may be how my coding would look. I could put an addition sign between our n and our 12 as well, but I don't have to. Now, some people did get tripped up in some of the classes as far as this of here. When we have an of like that, that doesn't mean to multiply. This just means it's saying find the sum of 4 and 6. Well, we aren't going to multiply 4 and 6 because we want to find the sum. So we want to add. Now, if it would say half of a number, well, when it says half of a number, then that is when we would multiply. So, and another quick thing, when it says more than, that means that goes at the end of our expression. So, for example, if I would say I have 5 more pieces of candy than Anna, who has 10 pieces of candy, I would do 10 plus 5. Or I could say, let's say it was, so we'll just stop right there and I'll do subtraction in a second. So let's write this. So 5 more than the sum of n plus 12. Okay, I'll do n plus 12, put that in parentheses, and then plus 5. So I put my plus 5 at the end. And we are writing these expressions exactly how we see it in words. So we are writing it in the order that we see it. Okay, now we do 4 times. That tells me to multiply. Hello.